So, what is sway in the golf swing? Well, sway is if we draw our lines, when we come up into our backswing here, sway is where we break that line with our backside hip. Now, this can be either exaggerated or slight. So what are some things that we're looking for as possible reasons to create this compensation? Well, one thing is just not understanding that we're doing it or not knowing that we're doing it, right? So it really helps to take some video to understand that. Otherwise, we need to look at the hips first. So with the hips, we want to know, can we create internal rotation on this backside hip? And can we create external rotation on this backside hip to create that pelvic rotation to get into the backswing? TPI has a test to look exactly for this. Can we get 60 degrees of internal rotation here and 60 degrees of external rotation here? If we cannot do that, then we might compensate instead of rotating here, that instead we take our hips and we just push them this way. Now, besides significant reductions in power production by not being able to rotate in our hips, if we are not rotating in our hips and swaying, we are losing the ability to create recoil and stretch throughout our thoracic spine and our pelvis to create that X factor to come down with more power, right? So if we can stay tall and strong, not sway into the backswing, we can then use that stretch shortening through here as opposed to breaking that stretch shortening as we sway.